Brittany, what you have to tell the people them?
When you like, share, comment and subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, about the channel.
Tell a friend about Talkup TV 1. And you don't know this is a part 3. You well epic country come to town and be a things. Stay and watch. Share to your friend. Share on your status. Remember to subscribe.
Right here.
I want to go and I would have understand.
Yes, man. Yes, man. I tell you, say, it go bad. It go full of surprise. It go full of action. It go full of joke, drama. Look out for Brittany tonight.
Look out for
Go for Shane over so.
I mean, never tell a lie. You don't know it's the new girl representing for Talkup TV 1. Look out for part 3, country come to town. A mad sitting.
Normal lie.
Yeah, man, tell your friend. Where your friend? You telling your friend.
Yo, what is this?
Yo, so where you going to stop?
Know yourself, man.
Yo, leave the people them things alone.
No, man, this is the man.
What you do?
Shut up, no, man. Give me this.
Yeah.
Oh, idiot. It's something that go for a mission with you, no, man. A dirt, we are going to dirt people, look how you go on my youth.
Come here.
You don't know bad news.
Yo, we can't bother walking no man. Look how me big and fat.
You know me not can't bother do walking.
Yo.
The mission we are go on and look how you move like a idiot.
I'm not skinny like you, I'm big and fat.
Open up your ear, them and look for your man. Them. Yo, Virgin. Yo, open up your ear, them and stop moving like a punk. It just burn me for you. It just burn me for you, man. Me can't go nowhere. Virgin, if you have sense, man, move like you have sense. Yo.
Cause.
You know, bad
No, some call you know.
You know, be serious, I make a girl, but I don't know.
Take time with you, man.
Me not take care
I'm
with you.
used to this,
Yeah, man, if you get man treatment,
easy, man.
man hungry, if you
I'm used to
get,
this.
look, you say in your face, me fist
Look at
you.
my chimber. Easy, man.
You know go on chimber?
You know my friend of that?
Hello. We are going to look for the man them now and build up 5 foolishness and the chat in my youth. If you are going to try to turn back me alone, we go look for them. I'm not afraid of badness, because I'm a real bad girl, I know that. You know not about me?
Come on then. Yo.
Today.
I'm tired of man. Yo. Acha, look at my foot. Look at me.
Yo, I'm not busy boy, you can't see you, me now go back now with the virgin.
Watch.
Look how we lose the man them, you know. We lost them, you know. They know upon the stretcher. They know upon the stretcher.
Yo.
But we are going to find him. Me now go back now with you again.
Come here, man.
Look ask me nothing, man. Right now, I'm bex.
Yo.
Me now go back now, man. I'm sick and tired of this now, man. Then I go lose the man them. How me I go find them now? Eh? How me I give my mother money? How me I get back? Yo, right now I'm grimy, you don't know me. Come on here, man. I'm a chair behind me to come lick you in your face with the gun. Me take next road, man. Let's say, babes, me I go hurt you know.
See, I got hurt, babes.
Yeah.
Babes, But I love you, you know.
Yeah, me know that, man.
I remember saying, you, me left country, you know, babes. That's why you look nice.
Yeah, thanks, so.
Make sure you take care of yourself, you know, everything go.
You know me, I take care of myself already, man.
You don't know a thing go, you know.
Why you full of words, so you just don't want me to go this morning,
Well, I
though?
can't tell no lie, man. I wish you could have stayed a little longer, babes. But
Me
I
have
know,
to go, man.
I know you have to go to work, babes, man. But just
I
be a
make
nice
sure you
girl
stay in
to
the
them.
yard and no bother to walk up and down today.
No, man, no worry yourself, babes, man. You see it?
Alright, so.
Come on, give me a hug, babes.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, love you, yeah?
Alright, love you.
Alright, hurry up, come home, yeah? Yeah.
So I have to sell off them pillar before the day done though. I see a 4 of them left now. I sell them off before the day done.
Yellings.
Yeah man.
What about?
There. Oh, yeah, I want to pill them.
Can I peel it? Doctor jack them.
Yeah man, I see some shop man.
See them.
We have the right thing then.
So I wanna get them from.
You know I will build them and then you see
Wanna build them?
Yeah man. I will make them man. See it there. See the shutter. Everything up on the number, email address, everything.
Alright, I'll link it, yeah?
Yeah man, do it.
See I word. Girl, get up.
Are you? I want to you. What you?
Took me by my nose and bossy you out.
Hello, I never my fault. Me never tell you to touch me case.
No,
Yeah,
I drop it in Japan, me I give you.
Sorry about that still. Come up on me yard, let me help you. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on
yeah,
here,
yeah.
right there, so.
Right this away.
Sorry about that. Sorry. I'm sorry about that.
Took me so hard.
Me say sorry right there, so we are go.
You move like you have a bad day.
Don't worry about that.
Christ, man. Can't believe. Share shot them.
Right here, so.
Right this away.
Right over here, so.
That one, yeah?
Come on now.
Look here.
Come on. Sir, I'm midweek.
But you can't make me hard.
Look here, my mother have first aid kit. Think I'm better
I
it for
feel like
you.
more go. Me no feel. Better me go home at my house.
Just like this on my yard there.
No, better no go home. If you comfortable at my place.
Which part of live?
Go on the corner around this up.
Which part?
Don't this one, you know, go on the corner, right down ice cream right this up. You know how to take long, man. Come.
My mother want to do something.
Come now.
Alright, come on. But you have to hurry up. Run. Run.
Cheer. Hello.
Why you come so early today?
I come early because I want to talk to you about something.
Okay. Oh, now what that know?
So, when you're ready for talk.
Yes, man. Alright. For those days, I still go a while after you come.
Alright, so I'm going inside because
We never heard that now,
nobody
I know, you
pass
know.
on.
Yeah,
And
kind of slow, you know. So you can sit down, man, and relax and just come. Let me clean up and everything already.
Alright.
You can have a seat and just tell me what you want to tell me, you know.
Before I start work, I want to make you know, say, you see, since my boyfriend come from upper country, he my bother me say him want go get a job and stuff, and him not really know the place. So me decide say one day me da follow him. But seeing as me at work and me no want to stop from work and me don't notify you or anything, and me not go do that, so me I ask you if you can give me a little time. Me don't know when you can find the time, so me
Anytime
can
you're ready,
follow
man. You
him.
know, say you're good
Anytime
girl.
you're ready.
Of course.
Okay,
Anytime
so-
you're ready, you can just tell me like the day before.
Okay, so anytime, because you see, like me, I tell you now, mood man can go tomorrow.
Okay, alright.
As soon as tomorrow Friday.
Friday, alright.
Yes.
Okay,
So mood man can go tomorrow.
So maybe how long you maybe wanna stay, you know, sure.
me not sure and then me no want tell you say if you give me some hours and you know work out and you expect me and then me not turn up.
Okay. Alright.
So me no mind if you could have give me the day.
Alright, no problem. You know, say you can work for you tomorrow one. You understand? Me not nothing to do tomorrow, so me go, me will work.
Okay,
Alright.
so one more thing, bossy. You know say going to look a job and all these things me go walk up and down and me go and be tired and so me dey ask you if me could have leave early today.
Alright, of course, because the day kind of look slow anyways. And tomorrow is a different day. You can go on
You know,
early,
me
man. You can get 1 2
always
hours, you
love
can
you.
leave 2 hours before and go start out a business. Because you
No
don't know,
problem.
everybody have business to start out,
Me
right?
glad for that.
So, me will fit in anytime. Man. So, tomorrow me open up for you till you come. If you don't come, fine. But early Saturday morning, alright?
Alright, boss. Alright, boss. Business
Alright,
done.
yes.
Alright,
So, me just there, you know, I mean, I say me soon leave. So, you know, you can go on and work, you know.
Alright, boss. So me will get going then.
Yeah, man, no problem. Take care of yourself. Alright, you know, we did clean up and something, but me don't know, baby, you want to go check your fridge and see if anything wanting, alright?
Alright, me will check and see.
Yeah. Watcha? Oh gosh. See me I get message here right now. Lord have mercy. See how can I message this right now. One next bill again. But me have some other bills to go pay to, you know. Me have to go say me can go down the road and now go say me can get them paid. Cause bartender said she have someone to go early. I mean no one time catch up on me. Cause as I quit the time run out, go tell her say me I go away and now I'm man to come back. You know, baby, I'll pay some bills. Me forget, say, me never pay my bills then.
Okay.
Right? And me just get message from one of them bills people here. Jesus, bills don't kill me.
And son, so I
And
thought you
some
gonna
hard,
manage
oh,
this
God
or
of
son.
grace, me tell you about. We're going to pay them and come back because you say you want to leave early.
Yes.
I mean, I want the time run up on me.
Okay, no problem. You know
So-
me go and start out business until you get back.
Yes, alright. So me go just go sort out and hurry up come back.
Alright, take your time now.
So you can get to go start out your
Alright,
business,
make sure
yeah?
you don't leave nothing. Take up your ID and everything where you know you're
Yeah, man.
supposed to.
Alright, this is it.
Alright, me take care of business till you
Yeah,
come
man, me
back.
soon come back because me don't want you late to go where you go.
Alright, boss.
Yo, me now come to Friday and me a turn back.
No,
I me never know say
you have
this
to back.
far.
That's over there, so me leave.
Over
Come
there,
on,
so-
yeah. I depend on turn. I depend on turn back. You see so.
Oh, you stay so. You too enough, man. Over there, so.
And you have to
Me not going now. Me not come no further later.
come now.
Come where?
Suppose me go so and me bought me two up on the stone and drop. Just come now.
None of my business, that's
Come
all.
man, just come man. I'll stop the fooling. You follow me this far, why you have a turn back? You know if you're going some man.
I'm sorry, me sorry for me before you come up here to the China over there.
You come far. You come far, make
Me
you
come
follow
for
me
this
out. Is it
friggin' kangaroo.
kangaroo? So you really remember me for them time there? I'm in the name kangaroo, my name Chop Lad.
Look here, I don't care. Chop wood, chop lard, or chop grass. I do not care. Me not forgot nothing.
Let me see if I got nothing.
Hello? You and your friend Chai, if you sell me. Sell me, what's the name again? Mali. If you mad me out. Mali
Look
the try
here,
to
look here,
sell
look here,
me.
look here. We not sell nobody if you mad you. Circumstances make we have to do it. There's nothing now go on.
Go and go look what, brother?
95 now go nowhere. You see nobody provide no work for
Go
me.
chop yard then. I name chop lard, go chop yard. Look at you.
Alright, now I kind of feel look better and I thank you for follow me. Come here, so you can go on your yard.
What you say? Go on to my yard.
Don't go on your yard no man.
You see, ungrateful. You deserve it, man. That
Yeah.
damn deserve
You
it.
box me out up my nose.
Look here. Me not care, you know. I care zero because I deserve him. After me follow you come in your yard, you come and tell me foolishness on my ears.
You talk me by my nose, now you box me out up your back.
I don't care. You don't like some care?
I see you rough.
You go ask me if me. No. You don't know who you are deal with here.
You have to box me so
You're
hard.
too rank and feisty. By the way, which one of us them are yours?
That one over there, sir.
The one there?
Yeah.
Go on. Come in, sorry for you.
You didn't have to back
When you
this
send me money, you never sorry for me, come in, sorry for you. Go on.
You have to come back with your money thing again.
I don't care.
It's a wicked girl.
Me
That
not
me I tell you, you're a wicked man.
Right now, me knows feel worse than how many feel.
You deserve it.
So anyway, long story short, I can't give you a number.
You ever hard to ask me for my number, not true?
Then no good sitting that. Imagine I bust up my nose and me just decide to you want your number.
What you want my number for?
We can take you some time. If you're available.
I want
time.
look here, I want the reason why I give my number is because I bust your nose. Try know that. Come, give me your number. You have a phone by the way?
Give me a phone.
Come again. Come give me your number.
Look here. Better you give me your number because when man give you no number, you no intend to text him.
Put the number in your phone.
So
and
you okay no?
Alright, me put my number in this. You put your number in that. You're open the phone quick and reach, you know.
Yo, chaplain. Yo. Why pray?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Look like mommy come and do for him all the door. Why pray?
May I go, man?
Yeah, we can't follow you to
No, I'm alright.
go on. We can't follow you.
No, we couldn't say.
Look like Molly you come for do, mama.
Sir, mind no business. You just sit me stomach, me don't like you.
I'm on, sir. I'm telling you, I'm on, sir. I was in scared, my general. So I'm telling you, sir.
It was good, man. But otherwise, different from that. You know, so me see one you. I said the doctor jack them. They pass him on the road also, I said the doctor jack them, man.
Which part on the road?
The same place where we always travel.
On the side.
What you mean?
So you pray.
You mean so me a free brother and them man they have the product them.
So
all of them we are sorry for the product them. And them man they have it.
Oh God,
So come and just start touch road there now.
I spend our money with them around.
So there's money. But we not spend no money with nobody. I go we are go for the product for them, brother.
We are go for them.
The man have one bag load of them. And the biggest thing you have all a shirt. Like a promotion thing, brother.
Round us up and feel black.
What you mean? I give them just come out.
So watch I make you go for them then now.
Brother, me ever ready, you know.
So where are they coming in now?
You want me go for my thing.
Ready, you know, my general. I talk about. So if we go for where I go for, you know.
Brother, the man them have a thing them load.
Joke here, man. Yes, sir.
Now with the boy I say, man, look how long me look, brother.
Alright then. Rise.
You ready, you know?
Judge, say you're all in, my friend.
You ready?
Can't go for them with that, the big
You mean so we can't go for them?
Oh, man.
Brother, listen to me, man. Man, I go for them in a business, brother. They man, they be proud of them, brother, and I give me proud of them.
Calm down, man. My family come on. I don't go for them, so brother.
You mean so we not go for them, brother, me no care.
Or stick you up. And you take your thing from him. That me I tell you. Can't go road upon the road with that and not chop you. One man in a yard. Put down that man till they come home, man.
Brother, go on, you want to do your thing in there, brother.
Yo, forward, man. Put down that and forward. Chat boy, me general. Watch out, no, man. I want little object, man. But I take it off and come in.
See boy there. I him have a peel them. Yes, so I him go for. Yes.
Alright, brawling.
Come in, man. You know what them people we come for?
No, see 1,000 for one door.
No man, we don't have no money, them we come for.
What do you mean you come for them? I have to pay for this, you wait till I free
Just give me peel them, man, and them we come for.
One order.
Brother, just give me peel them, man.
Boy, what you had? Hold up, you know. You never make no money yet.
Yo, make a move. Yo, make a move, man.
You know, say, don't sweep out the house now. Hold on. Fowl them I get no feed yet. Hold on. Thing good man, I feed the fowl. Come. Come. Come in, my chickens. Come in. Come. All I want to not get nothing yet, you know. Come. Food time, come. Yes, come. Yeah. Man, babes gone out, come here on there and I have to feed on now. Kick back right, that's it, I know I'm going easy. Definitely. Yeah. Could I go get Choppy a call now, you know. Give me Virgin Chop Lord a call.
Road you. Yo, Wagwan.
How you deal with my general? Everything good?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Why pre? Yo, hold on.
I'm gonna go and give a link, my friend, man. For a long time I don't hear from my tuggy friend, man.
Ah, that is it. Everything good. Yo, hold on, brother. I need me to talk to my boy now.
Go and eat it. So why you deal with differently?
Me there, man. I pass through your village. You see it?
My place.
Yeah.
I know say me sit down on the block right now, my friend.
Yo, me give him boy a link. Relax, man. Alright, me I come by right now.
Nothing wrong with that, man. Foul.
Alright, my friend, man.
Alright.
Take up the bro, man, now. Chop Lord, so come give me a link, you know. Go and see him, go and play 2 games and go and easy myself.
Nick boy.
Chop it and where are you live?
Yeah, man, me and me boy a pass through, you know?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Have some product we are sell, you know?
Yeah.
Some black jack, bedroom tonic.
See them now, man. See that sell pillar now, chop it.
Oh, still I know, man. Hold on, bonnet, my boy. Yo, Nick, yo.
Chop, yeah, where you going, man?
Brother, pull it door, man. Pull it door, man.
Yo, man, if you come to kill me,
Talk to your brethren now, man.
I talk to you, man. That's it, man.
Come on, sir.
Yo, chop.
Pull it door, man. Pull it door, man. Brother, relax, man. Come back over the seat, man, and talk move some, man.
Yo, Choppy, yo, you know, say me not take check in a virgin. A man, I can't come to kill me in my yard, virgin.
Brother, we have to see a protect him.
You say me know that a man in a virgin.
Listen to me, man. We have to see a protected. We can't roll
Yo,
loose, brother.
general, yo,
Brother, you don't know where you're there?
yo, you can't roll so in a virgin.
Listen up, and a country there. I always say that, brother. Negril.
Yo, man, sick with me, I drop down in a virgin.
Brother, and a country there, bad man. Listen to me, man. And we have to see a protect.
Yo, me not used to them thing, the virgin.
A simple maths, man.
Yo, virgin, yo, me not, yo, tell a virgin, say me not used to them thing. They are fuck, I must shit me used to virgin.
Yo, look at him, man.
And start turn him there now.
Look at him, yo.
Yo, next time you not do them thing, the
Put
virgin.
it up, see. Put it up, see.
Everything up, man.
Look at him. As me I say, some product we are saying, you see me?
So, man,
Yo.
come on, sir.
God know you.
So why pray? Why pray?
Him can't
There, me
hustle.
there, man.
Man, see ya.
Yo, you know, see me alone kind of there still.
Oh, I know what things setting up.
Yo, God know virgin.
Yeah,
Yo,
man,
next time you not do them thing, the virgin.
Yo, that's cool.
Yo,
man.
how are you, man?
Look here, man. Everything good, brother. Just
Yo.
come here, man. Relax, man.
Yo, me not used to them thing, now you not chop it down.
Brother, you see right now, two things are wrong. We protect ourselves.
You know, brother, but you can't carry that come on me yard, brother. You know, say, me not deal with them thing, my friend.
Yo, chop lad, here. Line up and come on here, man. God, this is
Yo,
You ready?
Yo,
Yo. You know if you find me.
Yo, I'm
chop it.
feeling away, man.
Yo.
Everything good, man.
Yo.
Look at the man. You know if you find me. I make a
Everything
move.
good, man. See, you
Alright.
not left none appeal with me.
Just sleep me, man. Just sleep me. I make you.
Yo, Choppy, yo, that's cool, yeah, man. Everything good still, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no star. Pepper them pretty, you know? Look decent, you know? Things are going on up on the farm. Farm look good. Banana, yam, jelly. Everything there up on the farm, things are going, man. So plate star. That's why I say I love the farming, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. 3,900, call it 4,400. But things are going good, man. Oh, if you go out, I can't leave the farm. Look how much I make and I just come out and come sit down, leave an hour ago. You know better me lock the shop, man, and deal with this, brother. I swear, Mr. Man, things are going good for your farm, man. Yeah. The best thing me that I ever do, man. Farm. Go yeah, what go on in a dust goods alone. Then suppose me if grow in a bush go sell one cow. Or sell a goat. Oh, as me come out to the plant, them then sell off. Then done. Right away then done. Me no mind me have one next basket. You see me if you run out, see me, them fast. That the people them want, right planting. I swear, look at pepper. Everything they are so. You know, everything are going good. There are all them in a general. No, I call that, you know. 2 bill sweet. I want a native, you know. I want to get a lot of oil, my friend. I want that, you know. Alright, respect. Yeah. Bless up yourself and manners, yeah? Give that.
Chappy and him virgin come like you want to come give man a heart attack, you know, youth. Yo, a low man for low out of Chappy company too, you know, youth. Carry man in the yard and carry gun come a man yard and know say man a farmer, brother. Yo, low man go low in company too, you know. That's why babes are want me so much, you know, youth. Yo. Jaja. Chairman, thing I bring memories to my brain, you know. Jaja. Them thing I remember when me was already a country. A little bit of fall in a cub still, man. How there, man? They a country, man. A whole heap of fall in a cub, you know, man. To talk about that. Call me nigga Lotto, you know. Check on the farm. Most are going in the farm, you know. Call my general. Oh, go on, also. Oh.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, yo, that's the way I deal with general.
Blow, yo, what go on, Nick?
Yo, me there, man. You know, say me there in a place, man. Me down a Negrilla, man. And you know, say me this come out outside, my friend. And I'm looking at Cuba and I say, yo, them thing I bring back memories, you know. So I decide to give
Check up on you, you know, what go on.
for egg them. You know, sell no egg yet.
Yo, you know, say them mash up mangoes broken in a cup, my brother.
Where I say mangoes busting in a cup, brother.
Yeah, man, mangoes mash up a portion of egg them, my brother. Me tell you, say, brother, I walk around the cup, brother. I see one little part right, I want zinc them, man. And I say, I go so and pull out the zinc. I see one big hole there, brother. When I look at big shell run out, brother.
I mean, I tell you, John, what me feel all the way down. I don't want the eye feel like the eye feel
Yo,
like
my general. Lotto, come on, man. Then you then check round the cube if no little hole when they on it, virgin, or no little loophole.
Me I tell you, me I check, brother, around the cup, brother. I say, I find one little hole against the zinc, brother.
Why you say nothing? Even a dozen egg, brother. Even a dozen egg.
Brother, I say, even a dozen egg, brother. Man, go see with the cup, wicked.
A lucky thing say yo, I'm in plant 2 plant now sitting. So I go on for planting them.
When you say planting, brother, I whole of them up at the waist, brother. I write them, I write up and rat up, because I tell you, say you're too dry. You think them kind of get a little bit mager, man, them now full up.
You make it thing them the waist, brother. You know, should they sell some, brother.
Yeah, me I try to sell them, but as me I say, they liquor nothing now go on pan them, brother. One man want give me for them, brother. I can't take $30 finger for them plant there. I load them look so.
Yo,
What go on?
brother, me put my trust in you, brother, man, and me left my farm in a yarn, brother. I mean, say no.
No, say you do that, brother. Me tell myself, say, yo, me don't want to let you down in a park.
Right now, me feel cut up inside, latter. Me feel cut up inside, virgin. What you say, yo? No egg. I know you tell me say the plant them a spoil.
Yeah, man, the plant them a boy, man, I plant them here right now, me a feed the cow and the goats with them there, brother.
So,
All feeding.
How I feeding part when kinda alright, I'm going to link Mr. Chin for some feeding and when them say link him back.
For Friday evening, you see me?
so,
So make everything work out next man.
so how that go work?
You worry yourself about no feeding.
How that go work?
Boy, go work out, that Mr. Chin believe in me, that me tell you say, yo, me tell Mr. Chin jelly, Them believe in me, you see me? So much feeding you have left today now?
Boy, you know, say half bag left out of 4 bag where you left.
Half bag.
Half bag, my general.
Oh God, like you know, say farm go run down, nothing and go on.
Things are going, man, but them maga, man, just hope to get some rain. And the time the rain start fall, man, the farm are up.
Right now, you know, like right now, I don't nigga in the man, I don't know to go on in a business.
I say, I try to put a little thing together, you know. I try to put a little thing together, but the maga. So I have to try to put on 2 bills. Out of one, I hustle off a one little site run so differently to help on the farm, you know. To send a thing come gear, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Just deal with things and deal with it right. You hear?
Alright, father, pick up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Heal up mama for me, you know.
Yeah, man. Me a heal up mama, man. See?
Yeah, man, God, she always take care of me, you see me?
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright, father,
Yeah.
Ah, boy.
Yeah, no star. Them sitting there going. Nothing and go on the farm all leg. Right now, I feel say I could have get a nice cut of money right now, Virgin. The man say, yo, rare. Yo. Right now, babes, better hurry up, come forward from work to, cause right now, man, sick and tired in the yard. The man want to work for do. Eh? What do you, man? Babes, better hurry up and forward.
Go on, brother. You know me there, all them general. And egg. You know, say egg them run out clean, brother. John, I'm sorry, them care about 3 tray.
So them banana you go?
Oh, them banana. You know, say a banana half 1,200 and one half 1,000.
When I look so?
You know, say them banana nice, a soft banana them, you know, man.
Sure so them soft?
Yeah, man, I'm sure, so them soft, man. The banana good, it's all fish, you know.
And the max all max, you know?
I see them fish them, man. Thing good same way, man. I eat, you see it?
Alright.
Yeah,
Manners
man.
and respect and thanks, here? Alright, my genius.
I tell you, man. Love that energy, yeah.
See that?
Don't tell you.
No, we're gonna start make some money.
Yeah, they don't look bad
see me?
neither.
Money are gonna make you now, brother. They
So
can't
good, we are touching road now.
No, we're not touch you today. You see me? We're gonna stay in and build because you're hot.
True, yes.
You see me? So you know me, I go do me. So go in, well fresh and relax. So you do the same thing.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to go down on my yard and all the vibes, all the bed, all the easy. You see me?
Don't make them see when you're going. You see?
I'm careful and look out there, yeah.
Yeah, man. You do the same thing.
Yeah, because you know we are touching road. That is, that's early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Alright, my son, that is it.
Bless up, my general. Outside. What go on, my general? Yeah, man, give thanks. One more customer, you know. Over here, wanna be. Yeah. Right here. What go on, general? You got Jamaican banana? Yes, I have some Ghost Mitchell banana, really fine, okay?
Okay. A lot I don't see these banana. How many for that, sir?
400. But I could give you for 300.
Okay. I think I wanna get back to buy, but you selling banana?
This is the best banana I think you're ever gonna have. Try.
Listen.
Try.
I'm gonna try. Alright, I broke myself and give you the money. Okay.
Alright, you me tell you 300 and you want to rob me, you give me 2.
Alright, I'm gonna broke
Alright,
myself.
mighty respect and give thanks.
Alright,
Yeah.
I
God
wish you
bless
luck. I wish you luck.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Give thanks to your support. You have a general?
Yes, King.
Yeah, man, and
Respect,
Thursday
yes,
again, right? Yes, sir, here.
Alright.
You have some right flat next, too.
Okay.
Yeah, because they want to done up.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Up at the bar, they go check the young filly there, you know. So me can junk her off and you know me junk her off and she feel tipsy. Anything can happen at night, you know, she can't feel, you know. Like she wants something and then bam! Whoops, whaps, whips. She a move slick for the day like she don't want nobody. Nobody can catch her, you understand? But yo, me have to do me have to fast, cause watch her now. A fresh meat in the grill. And whole heap of man a go run her down. So I want to be the first one to chop it. You understand? That one. So watch her now. I'm a junk her off. Must figure out something to tell her and junk her off, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, me I tell her that today my birthday. Today my birthday to go back and want to celebrate with me right now. Alright, that is it. Yeah.
Yeah, father.
Hello.
Yeah, Ja. A good day, you know. But you know, so I not like you out. I don't like how Chapla they give me no whole heap of talk neither, you know. I move like a him run things, you know. That thing if you know to, you know, youth. If you know say yeah, I move like a him a bring me in the street. And me I bring him. Me I watch him, you know. Cause you see any move a funny play we make pan them pillar, me they clip in wing. Cause I me want like say to him have a rifle like he frighten me. And me they bring them little youth in the street. Them a countryman, them can't come and the girl come give me no orders. But me they watch you pill them still. Cause him fi know say yo no true, me have this a little thing here make you look like say yo, me afraid of nothing, you know. If you know say man thing come from space with the laser beam pan it to that one thing, you know. If he flip me clip in wing, man thing come from space with the laser beam. I want to do them youth. Come give me no whole heap of tough talk. But you know what? I watch him. I watch every move we make. Watch him and the little youth when I say come from country to call them can't make no funny move for me, you know. I watch them. Any little foul play, I clip in wing. Make you know say yo, we run the border. You even know say yo man thing come from space. It even reach a earth. I want to do some boy, yo. I don't know, say a man a running thing. Matter of fact, me all go cool off, you know, all our vibes, you know. Yo, you know what, me all go all a beard, yo. They never know a man thing in a yacht. Them yo, they don't know a man thing, you know. That one them know, you know. Oh, all a beard and all our vibes, yeah, man. I want to do some yacht, yo. Chill out and cool off, yeah, man.
Watch this a troublesome one here come here now.
What?
Can take him some time.
How are you going?
What for you going?
Hey.
You always come to smile off your face. You
Hey.
smile, ka?
I know today's a special day, the girl. Well happy, you know.
Every day is special for me. I don't know about you.
Eh? Yeah, me say, man. Today I'm very strong, you know, girl.
Today your birthday?
What do you want?
You mean today your birthday?
Today I'm a birthday, girl. I'm just there. I'm saying, man, just gonna build a vibe with you, because I know you're gonna like the energy, car. You know, it's like a different vibe, me bring, you know?
Well, I don't have a problem with that, you know. Well, since today your birthday, I believe you're still in a song. When you say me play some music and go and enjoy yourself. And you bust two dance and make me say.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
You ready?
Feel like. So I'm gonna tell you
No,
today I'm
man, like you
birthday.
can't style me. Alright, get
Nah,
up, get
style
up.
you.
Alright.
Hey,
Me a run
what's
through, me a
up?
run through.
Run through.
Happy birthday and pick up yourself.
Big up. What you- Yo, how you tell me music for?
You play like me around here?
Hey.
You think you help me pay my boss
Hey.
bill for you?
I tell you, go on like, you know, like the vibes, you know.
Hey, I'm
listen,
playing
man.
them music for you. Come and go out with yourself. Where you get them dance there from?
Hey, you know what I'm saying, but I go for Africa, girl.
You figure dance on that shit. You have to come out and dance make people
Give me a
see.
second, man.
Yeah, go on them
I'm not here
style.
to this thing, you understand?
Enjoy
Yeah.
yourself.
Let's say I drink two juice with me, just...
Yeah man, me can drink two juice with
You can drink two juice
Yeah
with me.
man.
Watch out, you know, say... Compare, me pre-compare, because me say you have good vitamins. You understand?
You know worry yourself, me I go fix your one.
Yeah, man. Fix
I
up
know-
one for me there.
I know why it tastes nice with. Me need
Yeah.
to get a small cup here. Because for your birthday, me I give you a bigger cup.
Yeah, man, you look good there, man.
Yeah, thanks. Always
Wow.
come go on like a more than a drink, so you want.
So you must more than a drink you want. Two other drinks you want, my girl. But one drink, I don't be that vibe, man. You know things set already. Wow.
I'm not too don't talking with you when you come on to certain things, you know. Because I don't know how you look for me, so you know.
Girl, you know, I'm happy to them, man. I move to the flow, the thing, no, man. You know, see it?
I'm glad you're happy and me happy, so you happy.
Yeah, man, we happy, man. Happy like Christmas.
When you say you want me open it for you,
Holiday.
you do the honors, you're too right.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man.
You
We
give
there.
music and you want me just give up with something for you, so.
Don't worry, man. We there do it. Watch, you know. We can't open the back drinks, you know. Right now, me hand them.
Let me tell you this, you're a man. Learn to open things for yourself. Everything you know I help.
You know what, LPS? As we know the most I work, I would do a little bit, you know?
When you
Better
call
way.
us, you notice you always come around here and see me there at work, that means me always at work. Me can't take out that cup here, so you have to go drink it.
Yeah, man, you want a different cup for yourself, man. I don't know things. Come
Me
here,
have
man.
mine.
I have a cup. I will come pour it for you, man. I know, sir. I want you the girl. Alright, that's
Look here, me know why you drunk me, no.
You want to look more?
Yeah, put a little bit more in there. Stop!
Alright, just drink a little
No,
bit.
not easy.
A little bit around that girl. You know, see how I comparing
Little
a man. Comparing a drunk people so fast, man. You don't know.
You know me not too and not talking with you. I second time you come around here to come drink, you know. And me notice you have
No,
water,
man.
you go
I'm a
on.
birthday, man. I'm a birthday. That's why I want you to celebrate with me fully. I will eat that, man. Look. I will eat. Yeah.
No, me not put more in a man. No, put on your cup right there, sir. You're too hot.
Yo.
Do unto others as you have them do unto you. You're not going to go around me today, you're too bright. Me never give you no ice.
Alright. Let's have that cheers.
Cheers. Happy
To my
birthday.
birthday and you getting to know me better.
Okay, anything you
In the
say.
future. Later. Tomorrow.
Yes, nice bro with the orange
Yeah.
juice.
Tastes nice. Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah, man. Nice, man.
Our friend and me mix it, you go like it.
Why that all add to it too, you know?
No, but I come feel set. Me no want you but I come feel say nothing more than that, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. So watch out, man. I'm just say, I'm a birthday, and, you know? Have some fun together, man. You know, see what yeah, I don't know that I say about this, huh?
You can play domino?
Yeah, man, get to a damn them, man.
One gear 6. You ever hear about 6 hate me again, not
Yeah,
6
man.
love?
6, 8, man. I saw. Oh. Yeah, man. You know what I'm just done this year?
You're supposed to done here, you buy it on your birthday. No matter go on like say, me must pay.
One next something then, one next.
You need one more flask?
Yeah, man, give one next flask and we go on to them. You must say, the day just start, you know.
I don't have a problem. I selling up.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. If you think me not junk you today, I make a sad mistake cause yeah, I'm a birthday, I need something for my birthday. Oh, look over there, look.
Where you see you want a little bit of stones, Panny?
Yeah, man, some ginger wine, you know them wine business that we are talking about.
And a while ago, I see you put on
One
no wine,
ginger.
there's a pay joke, your joke.
Don't worry yourself,
We
man.
give music for that.
That's why I asked for the wine. Ginger wine.
I mean, why you come in here, come drunk yourself and then after.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
worry yourself. Alright. You never say me top up my thing yet, man.
Suppose I want tip a liquid in your cup.
You want some more?
I'm not ready yet.
You're not ready yet? Alright. Alright.
Take out here.
Mm-mm.
Me have finished pack out the damage
Yeah, man,
because you say we are
Me
going
finish pack them out. You know, I'm napkin over them. Me kind of sweat a little bit. You see me? Look if you see none.
Me have napkin that out and bright.
Look, man, look good. You know, napkin. Look on that side.
Look here, you not tell me what you look. Oh, you sound like you always come around here, so.
And they say napkin there?
No, me buy goods and me boss buy the goods and she never even get the time to pack them out. So she just put them down.
Yeah, man. If you go and drink half a juice too, you know, cause then juice are good for you. And then, you understand? Make it woman look prettier and shape like a Coca-Cola.
It look like say she never went come back with the napkin yet. She go buy it on her way back and she gone to do some business.
Yes.
So you go like say you restore your day at hotel. Use your hand on your face and use your shot and wipe it after.
Oh,
If you sweat. You like you restore around here. Come. You say we are playing that, you know you're going to get 6 today. You lose and solid to chop.
Touch, you know.
So you look for me and I smile, so.
Yeah, man. Come on. Try it and. Wow. What do I got here? Double 6.
Me not have no double 6.
Double 5.
Me not have no double 5. But me have double 4.
Alright. You want bet something? Me give you 6 love, you give me.
Me give you what? Something like what?
Something for something, man. Me give you 1 6 and you give me something, man. It's same here. I double you get, you know.
Me I go and listen to you now, but me not must follow what you say.
More time man I do like you work with babes at the two in you. All them work there, be a man that can hold on pan babes and them thing there, you know. All that can give babes sweet talk and them thing there, you know. Touch up babes and them thing there, you know. Them thing them man narrate, you know. But man a man still in no charge, but me I say yo, put one of them there, they all me touch all the road, all one of them hot brown skin girl that they pray me. How you feel say? I'm not gonna put no argument and disrespect, but I'm not tell no lie. Right now, if any one of them step up to me right now and look me off brawling, I'm not back down.
Yeah, you're up here.
My play. You know see me quote the game.
Oh,
You don't run for come play that and you can't play.
okay.
Turn it round.
Alright. Let me check and see what we're going. And I look someone.
Oh this Oh this taste so.
Oh, yeah,
It tastes extra strong and all the colour change.
Me not see it. That no look
No,
like
you
colour
never
change.
went go see it.
No. See it there.
A totally 2 different colour this me look
A
for.
two
Anyway,
cup in
you
this,
never go see it.
Where is it?
Everything good still.
I'm the girl. Yes, that's no. Are you walking a bar, no man? You should have gone drink half that in a 2 second flat and take a next shot. Just do it, man. You're bad. You're supposed to get hungry, any kind of girl.
Take a next shot, it depends on what kind of shot.
I know what you're saying. I will buy a shot today, and I want. Alright, you may have said.
Look here, before you play,
Yeah.
you know say a drinks truck when you come and we have some buckle in here so you put on the drinks truck. You can just look out this side if you see it for me come here something and blow up this up the road.
Up the road, that's all?
Yeah, look up the road. If you not see it sometime then drive from that the direction. So look both ways.
Alright, no worries.
So when you go with the cup, you go stumble and drop the cup me by your birthday and we have a drink. Me just simply ask you for do something and walk with the cup. What kind of style that?
How are yourself, man?
When they go take up with them enough, you come here and you play me when they walk with my cup.
Alright, move forward. Move forward. Let me see.
You take this stuff for your things, say they come drunk. Me tell them, me know when you sitting in my cup. Me know when you sitting in my cup after another, me not drink my liquor.
Hold on now. Yo, me not see a chuck in a girl. I want you to take
Probably
this
your
thing
next
for.
time yet. Probably
Hold
your
on
next.
now.
Oh,
How what?
I know today they didn't come. And Wednesday
Oh, you
they
mean that
didn't come.
today
And
they didn't
yesterday they were if you come. And Wednesday they didn't come. And you know me never see them come yesterday. And today are Thursday. So next week, Wednesday before they come back. Sorry about that. I slippy slip me. Slippy slip me.
Hey.
Play now.
Hey. Something I go on in there. Something I go on there, man.
Something, what you mean something not go on here? So you fi play now. You're too lame and your birthday.
No, man. Wait the man. Hey, too much spirit in this, you know. A long time in the church, man. God go so hard for me and bless me so good. Whoa.
Spirit in your cup. I must.
That me say. No, man.
Spirit supposed to in there rum you they drink. But it's not easy. No spirit rum feed. You cock up the about spirit in this spirit. Come drink. You want
The school of this me I say, man. Remember saying that?
and more spirit you want on top of spirit. Play.
Hey, me I say no, man. Remember, you know. 6 for something, you know.
If it's me, I can't drink because you come here and give me sweet talk and you can't even drink coffee if flask or something me and you.
Just remember the rule of the game. 6 for something. You understand?
Alright, 6 for something. Your time for play.
Hold on yourself.
I
I feel like I play the card already now, but I'll play again.
I'm going to block the game for you. Your time for play now. I have 2 cards left.
So you have 2 and me have 4.
Drink up your rum. Drink.
Oh, you have 2 and me have 4. Yo, you have scam me game, you know.
Me not scam no, but you're not easy. Drink up. Drink up. Me not know why you go wrong, but me have my right card them. Me pass down the so. And as far as me see the game black.
Game black?
Look here. You can't look at me boss a come.
The boss a come. You
Yeah,
see
look
me
how
big
you-
like game I want to win the game, girl. I tell you about your boss.
See me play blank with that so and see me win there. That is the reason now. Go look at me boss a come please and thanks. I win me win. That's why me I say now go look at me boss a come. You come and go like you can play. Hey, you know nothing about me. Go and go look at me boss. Put on the cup, you walk with the cup again. Me just a bit nice to you just a come because of your birthday. You can't walk back way. You ever see a man walk back way? Go down there so and look if she a come. You think say? Where you take this thing from? Oh, Todd, I'm bright. I think you can jump me. Now go put piece of ice in this before you come and make you feel say me still have enough. Bright and feisty. One come jump me. Me a full up for me with cheers. A bar me working, you don't know nothing about me. See? You don't see her yet? You look like she not get through. She ain't got, you know, a line them stay one time you go for pay bills and all these things.
The chair
You know
look
a line
taller,
them
you know.
stay.
Oh, the chair look taller, so.
I saw when you drink from when you come and go on me. I pack up with them, you know, because as far as me see you can't play no more.
Girl, come play a little more domino now, girl.
Me not play no more domino. Domino too boring. Me a go your birthday. You want to go on. Me a go play some music and you go dance. Me like see when you do it like juke style when you set something. Me like when you do it.
You know
Come on, do it again.
I thought you know you like me, no. Hey, you know you like me.
Come on, like it. I style me like
Look,
50.
nice, man.
Yeah, so go on the dance floor. I'm gonna run some music. When you see already, drink some more and run first. Drink man on your birthday. Drink, 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 drink. I say you want band. The music I done yet. Go again. Which part of you will come back at tomorrow? Which part of you will come back at tomorrow?
That music, but me doesn't feel the vibe.
I'm sorry for you. Look here. Look here. Cool down yourself because you're gonna get hot.
Boy, I tell you, if I never tell you before, I love you, girl.
And your English change.
You know see?
I want to say your birthday again.
November 19. Yeah?
November 19.
November 19.
Today I wish day.
Yeah. Oh. I know November, man. Today when again?
Today I wish day. When are your birthday?
Today I'm not March.
When you born? November 19.
No, I did March. You born first.
You know so that man you want to eat that.
You don't believe?
You know so me know what you're up to. Me know what you're up to, you know. And me not gonna keep up with you no more. You know?
I'm not into that.
You come in here and you tell me say on your birthday.
Yes.
Me be nice to you. Me tell you say me I gonna believe you.
Yes.
Me play some music for you. Me dance for you when me never do for no customer around here. Me ask you your birthday again.
Yes.
I pay a different date you give me. Come
No,
like your parrot.
what I say is,
You come like your parrot.
remember, no, man. First, born in the Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. Me that give me Holy Ghost birthday.
A Roman Catholic church I go.
Roman Catholic.
You know me have a strong feelings here. You
Man,
when I
nothing.
throw something in my cup.
No.
Why my rum
No,
did get
girl, don't
so
do that.
strong?
Don't mash up me birthday upon Holy Ghost.
This could never be your birthday because me just asked you when your birthday. You tell me say November. I know me have a strong feelings here. You when I throw something in my cup. So you know what go on. You have to go left from you say no. You see, unlike you, me not go drink with you again. And you see, if me never went chase this already, me take it back. Remember me tell you see, as for this way left, you not get none. You go left from out here. So me not drink with you again. You know?
So what you say?
Me not go drink with you again.
Pay then, alright.
Watch out now. You can't left. You're not about to pay who?
It's my girl, we come and have a nice time with a girl and probably you know something for that work out and we could have. Alright, look,
hey, fuck out me money.
Wait,
Fuck out me boss money you too.
alright, sit down,
Put it on yourself, put it over yourself.
How much more ya?
Yo,
What more ya?
as far as you see it, you clock up your $8,000 work.
No, Jesus!
You're too hard and bread. Move from out there so before my boss come. What a whole heap of money, you bitch, you.
Hey girl, just give me.
Italia, when they try to jump me,
I'm glad you come.
Good day.
Glad
What's
you
going
come.
on in here?
You tell her us, man.
boss, me glad you come. You see, if you never went come, you see this man. You see, this is
Me
not
just
a
have
good
two drinks with the
customer.
girl and then the girl just head chip.
And then me tell her, I said,
But me a share as fear.
Miss, you know me down, man.
no man, me
You know me down, man. Yes, miss, me get my money with
the money.
extra.
But you seem like you have as much to drink, so I guess you get your change already, sir?
Miss, him not supposed to get no change. No,
Alright,
you're not
so
supposed
you
to get
no,
no
no.
change.
You have as much to drink, so you can just
I
take
think
time
so.
and go and
And go.
Right? I would not want this thing get out of hand.
One more shot. What?
Yeah, man, you can carry come in and I believe the cup and a back home.
You can break. No, miss.
Have a class tomorrow, then you're going to come back home for here tomorrow.
Look
You
here.
can see that enjoy yourself, you know.
You know that tonight could have been a good night.
I know, but you know, she...
You have a good day. You must lucky my boss come. You have to lucky some boss come in here. You hear?
Alright,
Fix up yourself and go and see customer like you. Me glad my boss come with me, so what did that happen? Look, friend, this is a go. What about say? You don't pay me this one. You guys are trying to go on.
Enjoy yourself, look on each other and sweat.
Oh, we are sweat. I didn't want this thing to end up wrong. Look here, sir. Please go.
Come cool
I didn't even know me yet.
Dream about me tonight, yeah?
She have a dream well about you.
Dream about me, no girl.
You take time to go on in a
You have a dream about you.
Take time to
Hey,
go
you
on
know
You have a dream.
Hey,
Look here.
I take time to try.
you believe when I say my birthday, not true?
Yes, man, of
Alright,
course.
yeah, me
Are you ever
also.
drive go down? Which way you go?
I saw me, I go so, and then I go around so, and then,
You sure so you can manage to drive? I can't drive anyone, me drive you go where
oh
you
dear
go.
man, I travel with the spirit of the man. Gotta guide me now, girl.
Oh, okay.
How are you there? Come
You
back
sure so you go good man?
Me I go good man, eh?
Alright.
You see me I say?
Take your word for it.
Don't worry yourself man.
Take time drive though, you know.
Traveling with the spirit of
You're traveling with the spirit, alright? Just take time drive. Alright, spirit, you leave it here.
No man, the spirit is good, it's a good spirit.
Alright, sir. Okay.
For me, dream scene, I don't
Come now.
sleep.
Hi, come now. We just come back and see excitement what's going on.
Mr. Boss, all the year I talk about me if you dream slim. If I'm if you dream slim, I rather don't sleep. Remember me tell you.
Oh God, don't pay him no
Me
mind.
say,
That's how it's
Me in here in the boss and I know when you have a good vibe sometime and me in here and he come. He say I'm birthday fine. Me I treat him nice cause you love when me treat the customer
Right.
them nice. Me I play music for him boss. And would you know say this man want to jump me off, look like say him want to
Really?
jump me off, carry me away.
I saw you junkie.
Me notice me because suddenly they get stronger and stronger.
That's why next time I put the liquor on the counter and put it over the counter. Yeah.
That is a
Best
good
way.
thing.
Yes,
A
they
good
don't put it on
thing.
the counter, put
Yes.
it over the counter. So nobody can get control nothing in the drink. I put a pin.
What a man.
So next time you're careful with that. But anyways, I am back now. So they're gonna give you an early relief. So you
Okay.
can go get to do your thing.
Alright, so.
And then I hope and pray you get through and you're spooky.
Me hope so too, you know. Me hope so too. He's a really nice boss, I tell you.
All the best.
Alright, me gonna take me leave now, so take care of yourself, you know.
Early Saturday morning.
Alright, boss, very
Take care of
early.
yourself.
Right on early.
Mm-hmm.
Take care, boss, later.
You too.
Angry your banger.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Long time in the work in a bar, you know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, remember what we do, you know.
Babes.
I want to take you so long to open the door.
Oh yeah, babes. Remember say I drop asleep, you know. Oh yeah, where you there so early?
Yeah, drop asleep in a broad. Yeah, look how time early now.
Yeah.
Not even 6 o'clock yet.
Babes, remember say no man, remember say me nah nothing to do, no man. So that's why no man.
Look here. Me have something to tell you. Sit down, let me talk to you.
Yeah, say you have
This
good
morning
news.
when I go to work, when I talk to my boss, you remember that day me have a reason and you dey complain say you want one job and all that something.
I
and
mean
tell you
man,
say
and me not
forget.
left country for come sit down now. You see I drop asleep.
Alright, me reason with my boss today and me tell her and she said she can give me rest idea if you go home and cool off and rest and things. So tomorrow bright and early me go follow you go look a job.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
So we can go today?
No, it already done you have to say.
Alright,
No
so
make no
tomorrow.
sense. Tomorrow bright and early.
Yeah man, your boss love you man, cause your boss must know say you're a real prey man, me forget to
Yes,
work.
so.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
So you say tomorrow bright and early?
Bright and early tomorrow morning. So you dress up nice and thing and I'm going to follow you, right?
I mean, man, I'm a mad thing, man. You know how long I want to work, man.
So now sleep not supposed to in your eyes still, you know?
Right, and we all sleep gone right now, you know see it?
Alright, so
Tomorrow.
lively up yourself. And
No, man, me lively already, man. Tomorrow.
Yes, first thing tomorrow morning, so you know, I go all fresh.
I mean, man, I can go all fresh, man. Tomorrow bright and early.
And take off sleep off your face. Me I come say we can go on with things and you talk about your daily
I mean,
sleep.
man, a good pre-babes, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Remember, say nothing and go on, you know.
So,
see, and you come with that, the excellent news there. So tomorrow we are show about.
Yes, so here we know. Now wash off and come back and make it.
Babes, angle your thing, babes, man. Angle your thing, babes. Here. A mad thing, man. Oh, babes, before you go be, just forward look at it. Me show you a pre. Hold on, no, man. Just forward, no, man. Forward, no, man. After me there, after every day they want me off every day, say low Chappy company. What me tell you what go on, babes?
What go on?
Chappy and him virgin no come round, yes a man call link me, man. What now? Me no know why little thief in virgin that doing a virgin. I want gun me see drop out for a 9 man foot in a virgin.
So then thief nothing from in here?
They no thief nothing, babes. Boy come like a rob. Me no know if a rob him want rob you or what, but it come like he want take out the gun or something and the gun just drop.
You see what me there warn you about Chappy, babes?
Yeah, man, me tell you, say virgin, yo.
Sit down. You see from you come on the grill. Me been warning you about chop lad, you know. And me I tell you, say me no want you in a them type of company there, but you are your friend from country.
You want me day, you want me night, you know, but me no see them thing that Chappy
me
they deal
want
with.
you in and me want you out.
Yo, me say me no babes, you go kill me.
Me not go kill you. If me want to kill you, me da kill you from the day me day I work and me see you straight away. They walk past a good you and chop lad when they walk out that the day they too, you know. You know say you're not easy till chop lad reach as far as we do we. If we gun the count, they drop out chop lad and in teeth in front.
Babes, in frighten you up. Yo, me say, you see when they drop out, all in yai wide out and yai so.
Yai wide
I never want me see it.
Let me tell you when chop lad yai wide out of him head. Me come and you know say one day me go look a job. When me just come down here and babes, me never get the job. Me never get the job but and me way back. Me remember say me have my phone. And me a test out me snap and me a walk and me a take some pictures.
So what go on, babes?
Chop lad and in thief in friend rush out for me with gun.
With gun?
Chop lad with gun.
So babes, come you just tell me them thing, babes. Come you just tell me them thing.
Babes, calm down, cause me know how you dark and stay. Me never want you get in no trouble.
Yo, chop lad, if you know why I'm doing a babes.
Me angle it myself.
So he hurt you one day, babes.
He not do me nothing.
He get nothing from you?
No, he not get nothing from me. I mean, nearly bust up in head. So that's why me I keep on a warning them. Make you know say chop lad and a good somebody cause
for me virgin chop lad want rob you.
For your virgin chop lad and in thief in friend.
Yo, me say you see me have a whole chop lad round on my yard again, babes.
And me decide say me was going to keep this to myself, you know.
Oh, you have to keep it to yourself?
No, you come and agree. Me no want you get in no trouble.
Babes.
Me no want you and them have it in no argument.
You get me on the wrong side right now, you know.
You better turn over back because that was in the past. That is in the past, so turn over back on your right
thief
side.
In friend come and I say, yo, to a boy them I move nervous. Me don't know why boy I move, so a boy I move like say my thief.
You know me blame you still because me tell you don't bring chop lad at me yard. Me blame you still in a babes. But anyway,
understand you still in a babes, but that now go up again, you know. That now go up again, babes.
You couldn't make it happen again.
How do you man in the world me see boy chop your dirt, eh?
What you gonna do?
How do you man, even if my big stone me I see me a flat time.
Babes, easy yourself
tell me about easy myself, man.
A
dirt. Anyway, me see my dirt.
Don't put yourself in no trouble. Don't put yourself in no trouble. Chop lad not worth it. Police will shoot them on road.
28 minutes, yo. You see boy chop it anywhere. Me see that over there.
That's why I never want to tell you. That's why I never want to tell you because me know where you're going to go on with. Me deal with that already.
Virgin. Me and chop you a day one and this is my day. How do you man right now? Me get dark.
Babes, just calm down and just make that go on. Just calm down yourself. Just calm down, man, and just make that go on. Me a go in a shower, go lie down and come back.
I just show you know, see, I show me love you in a base, but you know, say
chop. Lie down, you easy yourself, man, boy.
You know, say chop if chop do
lie down, the babes. Calm down yourself. Don't waste your breath, pan chop lad and the teeth in front them. Me a go in
babes, you know, say yo, me love you in a base, but yo.
Yo, easy yourself. Me slow forward, me a go shower in a bathroom.
Alright, babes, go on. on. Me need with the pre-chop.
It's
Just
so
go on
good,
and
pa.
go and go bathe and come back. Here, babes.
Yeah, man.
How are you, babes, man? Anyway, me see them boy, they are dirt, man. A dirt, yeah. Come in, babes. I talk about, man.
Me soon coming up.
And next time, don't hide nothing from me again, you know, babes. You hear me I tell her, babes? That man cross, you know, virgin. And then, you know, Bucky, hey boy, Choppy, you know, better know what you're doing, you know, brother.
Yeah, me don't be, you know. No watch ya. The man fast asleep. You look like me calm him down too fast. I'm there plan to make we go on with little dandy shandy, you know. Babes. Because when I come lie down silent, because I can't bother. It's not easy, babes.
See that? Now you guys have made it to the end.
Yeah, man.
Video.
Yes, you made it to the end. Bring have still talk. But yeah, me I say still. I end this video, but not the end of the movie. You understand? Look over part 4. Just a shooting.
Right,
you understand? So remember, you know, the key thing is sharing. Sharing is
Kieran.
caring. You understand? So just jump up on the status and do the right thing. Peace, love, and respect. Enjoy yourself
Yeah.
to the fullest. Yeah.
We are out.